Hello viewers, this is our Ultra Magnesium Complex. Let's try to find out some interesting facts about the product. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies every single day. Most people are not getting enough magnesium, even if they eat a healthy, balanced diet. A deficiency in magnesium can cause many serious health issues such as heart problems, difficulty sleeping, decreased focus, difficulty managing stress, loss of bone density, and loss of exercise performance. This is why everyone should be taking a high-quality magnesium supplement every day. Magnesium glycinate helps relieve anxiety, promote bone strength, help maintain healthy heart rhythms, amplify exercise performance, and even help reduce pain. Magnesium gluconate supports healthy physiologic cell function of nerves, muscles, bones, and the heart. This product will also make it easy for you to be healthy. It will bring you. This product has maximum muscle, never, and energy support, supports 300 over enzyme reaction, sleep support, and the most bioavailable magnesium. So order now without delay. Check my bio to order.